Hey guys, welcome to Gen IT Academy. In this video, let us see about the basics of HTML. Let's get to know the basic definitions and concepts. What is the Internet? The Internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. Through the Internet, people can share information and communicate with each other. What is URL? Websites are accessed with the help of an internet address called URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Just as buildings and houses have a street address, web pages also have unique addresses to help people locate them. What is a web server? When I tap a URL, my browser sends a request out across the internet to another machine somewhere, and that machine has a piece of software on it called web server. And that piece of software knows how to take the request and gather the right information and send it back to my browser, and then I have my web page. Till now, we saw the basic definitions and concepts. Now, let's go into coding. Let's understand what is HTML. So, what are we going to see about HTML? We will see about the full form of HTML, what is it used for, what does it make up, and we will inspect the code of HTML, and we will see about what are web pages and their types. What is the full form of HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What does HTML build? It basically builds and develops a web page and websites. What does HTML make? It makes up the structure of a web page like the heading, navigation bar, main information, sidebar, and the footer. Whenever you see a website, have you ever thought about the HTML codes written behind it? Yes, these codes makes up your web page colorful and beautiful for the viewers. So to inspect the code written for this, I have done a short activity. To watch that video, you can click on the link in the description and watch it. There are two types of web pages, that is static and dynamic web page. The information in a static web page cannot be modified, it is still and we cannot change it. Whereas in a dynamic web page, the information can be modified and changed. JavaScript is the programming language used to create dynamic web pages, whereas HTML and CSS are used to create static web pages. Thank you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.
Created using Powtoon.